Do you know, experts say that the more you connect, the more successful you are. Therefore, when you invest in your relationships, whether it is professional, it is personal, then you will be able to monetize it and generate income. Networking benefits are many. It will improve your skill set. It will keep you updated about the latest industry trends. At the same time, networking will always upgrade your knowledge, uplift your training skills, and adds a great value to your resume. When you network on Idea Factory, you will be able to meet prospective mentors, partners, clients, and gain access to the necessary resources that will foster your career development. Yes, Idea Factory Pro, this networking place is for the people who love to gain knowledge. Networking is not merely the exchange of information with others. Networking is about establishing and nurturing long-term, mutually beneficial relationships with the people you meet. Whether you are waiting to order your morning coffee, participating in an intramural sports league, or attending a work conference, networking helps.